Good afternoon. As you can see, we're under construction with a student service renovation project. I'm standing here on the second floor. Most of these offices, the registration, enrollment, financial aid have been relocated to various spots across the campus, all with the ultimate goal of having right here a one-stop shop which provides a much more efficient and student service friendly atmosphere. So let's go take a look at the very first project. Come on. Now that the fall semester is over, Brew 425 is closed at this location. As you come back in the spring, we'll have it reopened temporarily at the first floor of the Student Resource Center cafeteria. In about a year, the final location of the Brew 425 will be on the first floor of the Student Service Center, adjacent to student life activities. As we all look forward to the completion of the project, stay up to date by visiting COD's website.